In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your desktop data to your QuickBooks account. Whether you're transitioning to QuickBooks Online from QuickBooks Desktop or just need to move data over, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to QuickBooks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. It's crucial that you log in using your existing QuickBooks account credentials to ensure you're importing data into the correct account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one, as this is where all your important business data will be stored. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the settings. Depending on your screen layout, this can usually be found in the top right corner of the home page. The Settings gear icon is your gateway to a range of customizing options within QuickBooks. So locating and clicking on it is important not just for this task, but for better navigating QuickBooks functionalities in the future. After you've opened the Settings menu, look for an option that says Import Desktop Data. This is specifically designed for users who are transferring their data from the desktop version of QuickBooks to the online platform. Clicking on this option will initiate the data import process. Make sure you select the right file and ensure it's compatible with QuickBooks Online. It's always a good idea to double-check that your data is backed up on your desktop before you start this import process. During the import, QuickBooks will prompt you with a few steps to handle potential data discrepancies, advises on checking import preferences, and provides guidance on where the data will be stored. Take your time to read through each instruction provided during the import process. Following these instructions assists in minimizing any post-import issues and ensures that your data transition is smooth. As the import completes, depending on the size of the data and your internet speed, it might take a little time. Don't worry if it seems like the process is taking longer than expected. Large data files require some patience. When the import is complete, QuickBooks should give you a notification. I recommend reviewing a few key accounts and transactions to ensure everything has been imported correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your desktop data into QuickBooks Online. With your data now readily available online, enjoy the benefits of accessing it from anywhere, anytime. Congratulations on making the smart move to QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.